Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into an exciting topic that has the potential to completely reshape your life: how business can transform your journey. Starting a business is more than just a financial decision. It's a personal evolution that challenges your mindset, tests your resilience, and pushes you to achieve heights you never thought possible. From turning your ideas into reality to navigating challenges and building something meaningful, the entrepreneurial journey is a roller coaster filled with valuable lessons. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or someone looking for inspiration to take the next big leap, this video will show you how stepping into the world of business can be a life-changing experience. So let's embark on this transformative journey together. 1. The spark that ignites transformation. Every business journey starts with an idea, but what truly transforms your life is the decision to take action. That spark of inspiration might come from identifying a gap in the market, solving a problem, or pursuing your passion. However, an idea remains just an idea until you act on it. Starting a business shifts your mindset from being a dreamer to becoming a doer. It teaches you to take calculated risks, face uncertainty, and turn challenges into opportunities. This transformation is where your journey begins, evolving your thinking and setting you on a path of endless possibilities. 2. Building a vision for success. A strong vision is more than just a set of goals. It's the driving force behind every decision you make. This vision shapes your strategy, motivates your team, and gives your business a unique identity. It's what keeps you grounded during setbacks and focused during times of success. A well-defined vision also helps you communicate your purpose to customers, investors, and employees, fostering trust and loyalty. By aligning your daily actions with your long-term vision, you create a roadmap that not only transforms your business journey, but also inspires others to believe in your mission. 3. Turning failures into stepping stones. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a critical part of the journey. Every entrepreneur faces setbacks, but what sets successful individuals apart is their ability to learn from mistakes. Failure forces you to rethink your strategies, innovate, and grow stronger. For example, many successful companies like Apple and Amazon faced early struggles but used those experiences to refine their business models. By viewing failure as a stepping stone, you cultivate resilience and develop the ability to navigate the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. This shift in perspective transforms challenges into opportunities for growth. 4. Adapting to a dynamic market. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires adaptability. Whether it's a shift in consumer behavior, technological advancements, or global events, businesses that can pivot effectively are the ones that thrive. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies adapted by moving operations online, embracing remote work, and exploring e-commerce. This ability to adapt not only ensures survival, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Transformation happens when you embrace change, innovate, and remain flexible in the face of uncertainty. The power of networking. Networking is a game changer for any business journey. It's not just about exchanging business cards. It's about building meaningful relationships. When you connect with mentors, peers, and industry experts, you gain access to insights, opportunities, and resources that can transform your business. Networking events, online communities, and industry conferences are excellent platforms to expand your circle. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has a story of how a chance connection led to a breakthrough moment. By investing time in networking, you create a support system that propels your business to new heights. 6. Leveraging technology for growth. Technology is the ultimate enabler of transformation in today's business world. From automating mundane tasks to reaching a global audience, the right tech tools can revolutionize how you operate. For instance, businesses that harness social media platforms for marketing can engage with millions of potential customers at a fraction of traditional advertising costs. Similarly, data analytics tools help you understand customer behavior, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. Embracing technology doesn't just enhance efficiency. It empowers you to innovate, scale, and stay competitive in an increasingly digital world. 7. Customer-centric approach. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business, and prioritizing their needs is the key to long-term success. A customer-centric approach involves listening to feedback, delivering exceptional service, and continuously improving your offerings. Businesses like Amazon and Tesla have thrived by putting their customers first, ensuring loyalty and repeat business. When you view your customers as partners in your journey, you build trust, enhance your reputation, and create lasting relationships. This transformation turns your business into more than just a transaction. It becomes a brand people connect with and recommend to others. The business world evolves rapidly, and staying informed can give you a significant edge. For more actionable advice, subscribe to our channel and visit www.glynchconsultant.com for additional resources.